Good morning, everyone. With great joy and enthusiasm, I welcome you all to this beautiful event. I would like to warmly welcome our guest, Professor Milan Chaube sir, from Electricals and Electronics Department from Takshila Engineering College. Give him a huge round of applause for his welcome. I would like to give the short intro that today we are going to give the NASA kits to the students who had participated, and before that I want to tell you that they had participated in NASA Space Settlement Program, in which 20 countries had participated. Out of it, India got the rank, and from India, Sri Chaitanya got the 6th rank. From top 10, 6th rank is Sri Chaitanya students got it. And first and second prize also from the Sri Chaitanya branch in art and craft competition. Now I would like to call the students Ayansh Yadav, Rishima Kamath, Lavish Patrol, Aditya Prajapati, Sankalp Patel, Sonali Richarya, Bhumi Thakur, Divyam Yadav, Adamya Singh from 6th class. From class 8th, Prashant Sahu, Virat Kotia, Aradhya Dubey from class 8th, and from class 9th, Lokesh Thakur. And give them a huge round of applause for the achievement. Distribution of kits, I request our guest, Professor Milan Chaube sir, to come forward. Respected Principal Ma'am, respected Dean sir, and all the in charges. I want to tell you that this initiative have been taken by the central office for this NASA kit distribution, so that every child receives the support they deserve regardless of their background. It symbolizes care, equality, and a bright future. So we wish bright future to all the students, those who have participated in. I would like to call Vishal sir on the stage as in charge of NASA project. Contains printed t-shirt, one notebook, and one beautiful pen. Inspiring words with us.
Ma'am. Hello, good morning everybody. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Okay, now I would like to talk in Hindi, क्योंकि हिंदी दिलों में ज़्यादा उतरती है। अभी जैसा कि मैडम ने अपने उद्बोधन में कहा था कि आपका ये जो स्कूल है श्री चैतन्य पब्लिक स्कूल, श्री चैतन्य पब्लिक टेक्नो स्कूल, तो इस स्कूल की बहुत ही बड़ी उपलब्धि के बारे में मुझे अभी जानकारी प्राप्त हुई, और मैं यहीं धनवंती नगर में रहता हूँ और मुझे पता अभी पड़ा कि ये कितना बढ़िया स्कूल है हमारे धनवंती नगर में, जो भारत देश का प्रतिनिधित्व संपूर्ण विश्व में कर रहा है। ये बहुत ही बड़ी बात है और बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, और हमारा भारत देश अब विश्व में ही नहीं ख्याति प्राप्त कर रहा है, पूरे ब्रह्मांड में अपना परचम लहराया है, चाहे वो मंगलयान हो, चाहे वो चंद्रयान, और भावी पीढ़ी को भी इन कार्यक्रमों के माध्यमों से तैयार कर रहा है, जैसा कि अभी आपके यहाँ हुआ है। और नासा अपने आप में ही एक अद्भुत संस्था है, और उसमें किसी भी प्रकार से सहयोग करना भारत देश के लिए ही गर्व की बात होती है और इस गर्व के लिए स्कूल का बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ कि उन्होंने यह कदम उठाया और अपने देश का नाम अपने बच्चों के माध्यम से जो है रोशन कर रहे हैं। बहुत ही अच्छी बात है। धन्यवाद सर।
So much, sir, for your valuable words. I would like to conclude like, dear students, this kit is more than just a set of items. Consider it as a token of encouragement. Use it wisely, learn sincerely, and strive to become the best version of yourself. Your future is bright, and today's support is a reminder that the entire community stands behind your dreams.